Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So you can use this method on any device. Just need to open browser and just you need to go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of Roblox. You just need to tap on three bar over here and just go to Avatar Editor. If the Avatar Editor doesn't open, you have to enable desktop mode. Just tap on double A over here and enable the desktop site. You can use this method on iPhone as well. So once you enable the desktop, you don't need to do this on PC or Mac. So once you enable this method, guys, you just need to tap on head and body and go to here. Now guys, once you here, you can see that right now I have only cubed one here. So if I'm trying to select multiple hairs, it doesn't work. So I'll show you how can you wear multiple or here, more than one hair. Just hold the new egg here and copy the link address. As you can see, open a new tab, paste your link over here. Just copy the asset ID. This asset ID. Select it and just copy. Go back to Avatar page. Just tap on this advanced link over here and just tap on this blank asset ID. Just tap on this save button again, and your two hair will be selected, as you can see. So if you want to select guys multiple hairs, more than two hairs, or if you want to select like 10 hairs, then there is a trick on PC only that works only works only on PC, because it needs extension which works only on PCs and Mac. So if you want to see that method, if you have PC, you can try this method. I'll give you the link in the description of that video and you can check it out, that video, and just follow the instruction. You will be able to do that. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.